What's up, everyone? 2007 Toyota Highlander. I got my visor all bungeed up. Let me show you what's going on. So the visor doesn't stay up at all, it just falls down like that. It's real annoying. I'm replacing it. One thing to know is if yours has a vanity light, which is right there, you got to get one with a vanity light. They sell them with and without that. So you got to know that when you go in. Get yourself a plastic pry bar if you can, or something similar. What I do is I put this all the way this way. Come over here with your plastic pry bar and get it right on the corner. Try to get in here and pop this cover off. I already kind of popped it loose. And then there's those Phillips screws. Get yourself a screw gun or screwdriver, whatever you got. Let's go ahead and hit these. There's one. Oh, you gotta move the visor, get to the other one. There's the other one. Now this has a wire harness in it. I'll show you what I mean. To kind of support it when it comes down. This will kind of come down. To disconnect this wire harness, this is for your vanity light. Just push right there, disconnect it. So here's what when it comes off. I'm on autofocus. Sorry about the autofocus. It comes off right here. Now disconnect it. This thing has a little button. Let's see if I can focus in on it. On the top here, you push that. You can use like a pocket screwdriver because my fingers are way too fat, but I managed to get it off. So you could junk the old one or do whatever you want to do with it. They're really, once they start falling like that, they're really just kind of useless. Some people pull the mirrors out of them or do it. I just throw them away. I've never found anything good from them. Here's my new one, and here's my part number. This is a Toyota part number right there. And I don't know if you can get these aftermarket, but this is from the dealer. And this part number comes with the vanity light for the driver's side. The driver's side and the passenger side are different part numbers, and with or without a vanity light is the same thing. So we got ours. My first one came with no connector because they didn't know I had a vanity, so make sure you let them know. All right, I'm not going to mention that anymore. All right, so once you have it out, it's basically just reverse. We're going to connect this. We're going to push the harness up, line this up, put the screws in, and then kind of be done after we put the cover back on. Okay, got it plugged in. That was easy, and we'll tuck this up as much as you can. Now you could put it in the holder and line it up so it'll kind of hold it for you, and then you just put your screws in. All right. These don't got to be mega tight, just get them snug. Then we'll put our cover on. Now this should just snap on. If it broke and won't snap back on, it only has these tiny little tabs on the side, then don't beat yourself up about it. You might be able to get this by itself, and you know, you could always roll without it and just might not look as cool and good as it did. Let's see, just go over, just clip it on. It should kind of click or pop when you get it good. Alright, that's it. It's hanging good. Let's check the vanity. Vanity works. And that's it, guys. All good now.